Yes, beta. Slides are visible to you, and voice is audible or not. I'm starting the session. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, in the last class, we. Yeah. In the last class, we finally ended with industrialization. So as far as this unit is concerned, actually 3 days break is a huge. Because I need to be like just recall you that we started this unit as a green engineering, and in the last week we just finished with the sustainable urbanization. What we mean by sustainable urbanization means particularly the modernization of the countries or the states with managing the environmental and the certain practical usage. And in the last class, we finally end up with the industrialization, that how we are managing industrialization with respect to the water waste, air waste, and pollution control. Now, today we are just going to discuss poverty reduction. Means how poverty reduction is going to be minimized with respect to the industrialization, and how my industries made certain social technological changes in the society. This will be our today's topic. Okay, so green engineering industrialization was clear to all of you, and basically it includes the application of scientific methods like division of labor. It's a long term process, and accompanied by social and economic changes. ठीक है, तो अब इसमें नेक्स्ट what we mean by poverty reduction. Basically the golden goals of this, just first is to eradicate the extreme hunger and poverty, achieve universal primary education. Yes, of course, primary education is very much related to the low level employment of poor people, to promote gender equity and empower women. In many places, actually we are not going in such a depth to the poverty, but if we will focus or if we will go further, then you will come to know that half of the population which is poor, that belongs to the woman category also. And if we just make them aware regarding their rights and the duties and their power, then also we can say poverty level can be low down, reduce child mortality, to improve maternal health, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, other disease, and ensure environmental sustainability. Why environmental sustainability is needed here? Because generally what happens, there is those people who belongs to poor class, they are living in a slum areas, and so much dirt and so much smell used to be in there nearby their like house and all. So these are the main points. I'm giving you 2 minutes to write down this, because our next discussion, our further discussion will be based on this. Okay, write down please. Have you completed? Yes. Fine. Have you completed, beta?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now next comes the information and communication technology for the poverty reduction. यहाँ हमने ये बताया है कि what are the hurdles or main golden goals, like how we can reduce the poverty by maintaining this. Now, how we can achieve this by information and communication technology is, it has been estimated that 700 millions of the world's poor live in Asia Pacific region, and our country is one among them. The poor experience shortfalls in economic welfare, gaps in access to good quality education, healthcare, and naturally the political barrier that stifle personal initiative and the self-development. And basically what is happening by this, they are cutting edge of all technologies and are breaking new paths in the bioengineering, space exploration and all. Just to explain this particular technical part, we can elaborate this by one more slide I have. So basically more than one third of the world's population lacks जो है that is resource and information to be meet the basic human needs. Like basic human needs क्या होती है अपनी, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, अपन ऐसे भी बोलते हैं, और and otherwise food, clean drinking water, sanitization, good health, provision, shelter and education. So how much information and technology is changing the poverty reduction? So the science and technology and innovation that play a crucial role in elevating. They have led to a wide array of developments, from boosting agriculture productivity to provide the means to generate energy cheaply. And the developments in the science and technology that make a significant contribution. The meeting keys to the commitment is the Millennium Development Goals and United Nations, like member of international organizations that agreed to the achieve this. So what are the golden goals? Are these which I already been explained you. Fine. And this has been designed in 2015. Now see, as I am telling, eradicate extreme hunger and poverty. One by one, gradually these 8 points are going to be clear to you. This man is just filling water in a like plastic pump. Was he born for this? Particularly, like by birth, he just learned that I need to live in a poverty. Not exactly. So new technology to meet global changes is that कि electronics or nanotechnology जो है, they are enabling the technology which elevate the poverty on many fronts. Like charity aims to enable the implementation of simple technological ideas that is going to enhance the lives of these communities in a profound economic and social way. It mentions three areas where research led technologies can help to reduce poverty. And these areas are basically, these areas will be research generation, agriculture, productivity, and provision of clean water. So, what we are understanding basically that poverty कैन बी रिड्यूस। अगर हम रिसर्च लाइक टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें, एक तो एनर्जी जनरेशन, इन दैट एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज यूज टू नीडेड, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्टिविटी and provision of clean water, that is going to be there. Like, see, this is the status updated of the world. She is a single mother with a two child living in a very poverty. How she is maintaining with some chai wala shop and all, and upbringing this both the kids. How to end poverty is a big question, but some and another way we need to fight for that. So how ICT is reducing the poverty is 700 millions of the world's poor lives in here, like naturally in Asia Pacific, and they are cutting edge of the technology. तो हम जो latest technology हम जो use कर रहे हैं, that could use to provide employment to the poor people. By that, they can somehow or another can manage their livelihood. So the vital to bring information like doorsteps of the poor, we can say that high-tech based internet and all है, ठीक है? That is only becoming a lot smarter, user friendly, and can help communities in fighting poverty by arming them with information, technology, and knowledge. Basically, poor have inadequate access to the information technology, expertise, and resources. So, communication is no longer limited to electronic, or I must say, the digital technology that is based on the telecenter that provides access to the disadvantaged in rural areas to telephone and fax services like email, internet, and all. So, now what is the difference? See, these are also kids with the digital technology. They come to school without, like I must say, without notebook and pen. They are also learning, and these child also who are bringing bag and all everything, they also eager to learn. So, what is the difference and why there is a difference? Because of the poverty, we can say they don't have sufficient money to bear such schools. So community-based information and communication technology, that is going to be a big barrier there. The major issues to covered by community and the media may include the need to manage environment in sustainable manner, like health, education and literacy, peace and democracy. Yes, of course, poverty reduction. Is it clear, Vedam? Any doubt? See, this is a theoretical concept. So naturally, like this, all theoretical parameter used to come across. Naturally, you can get more detailed information regarding this. But yes, of course, one thing I can tell you, you need to know the poverty ratio of each country. Okay? The smart village concept. ये चालू हुआ है कुछ टाइम से, लाइक रूरल इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी सेंटर. ये एक और हमें पता है यहाँ पर, लाइक कि कांग्रेस इज अबाउट टू चूज बिटवीन प्रोटेक्टिंग प्रोग्राम्स फॉर स्ट्रगलिंग families and expanding tax cuts for millennials. Okay? The smart village concept, what it impact is that is to make access to the relevant information and education based on the cost efficient high tech in the rural areas. It is a relevant experiment in this connection. Accessibility to information with quality. That is what the media should be doing. Ideally, poor should be an active participant in designing of program. implementation of programs, and internet should feed the community with all information. Based on experience, it will be appropriate to combine radio, TV, print, and internet by special design radio programs like both national and regional. TV spot which will be repeated several times during prime time and linked to popular programs and the news. Print journalism to be to the linked, that is civics journalism concept, that is by inviting a few selected journalists who are motivated to launch a civic journalism group, especially the tailor made for poverty reduction and the interactive internet pages. ये कुछ चेंजेस है जो गवर्नमेंट अपने पार्ट पे कर रही है कि कुछ जो बच्चे हैं वो इन चीजों को कर सके. ये important diagram है. I just suggest you to just take a screenshot, or those who want to make, they can also. Like smart village is this. What is my smart village? It is information technology and public and private externality. Whatever we were discussing regarding poverty reduction and all, उसका सबसे जो बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन है या जो अभी करंटली चल रहा है, and so many NGOs and government also funding for that is this. फाइन. तो ये मेन कंक्लूजन है. ये डायग्राम तुम्हें मतलब इस तरह से डायरेक्ट पॉवर्टी रिडक्शन ना करके, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय स्मार्ट विलेज, हाउ वी कैन डेवलप इट in a country like India and all. So you can draw this diagram. See, IT and PPE की जो ब्रांचेस हैं, एक तो है टेलीमेडिसिन है, P2P मतलब प्राइवेट एंड प्राइवेट एक्सटर्नली से ये माइक्रो फाइनेंस पे आ गए हैं, और एक इधर है. तो टेलीमेडिसिन की जहां तक बात आती है तो हेल्थ सर्विस, हेल्थ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड पब्लिक हेल्थ एजुकेशन, ये सब इसमें आएंगे. P2P माइक्रो फाइनेंस में इन्वेस्टिंग इन माइक्रो इकोनॉमी एक्टिविटीज, where it is going health products and general economic activities. What is my general economical activities? That is non-agro and agro business and business management education. Fine. And as far as this IT is concerned, so environmental education, environment, green investment, that is going to be there. And here is a skill training, civic and education and libraries, education, children's school enrollment and all. तो ये बेसिकली एक चेन है कि हम इस तरह से इसको क्लासिफाइड करके, और we can make employment also as well as connect these people to survive. You can draw this. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes. हैव यू ड्रॉन इट? बना लिया क्या आप लोगों ने? Okay. Now, basically, health is the key. So, healthy planet, healthy people. So, employment is the weapon. मेन तो सोर्स जो पॉवर्टी रिडक्शन का है वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट ही है. अभी जैसे under the Modi ji supervision, so many other things are used to there, which are implementing that people are going in a interior villages and giving particular electronic and other resources to modify their agriculture and everything. So education, so this is one thing. Employment is one weapon. Education is a real power. Fine, if we educate people. See, in our villages, so many females are there which are illiterate. And now also through Anganwadi planning and all, government is trying so that at least they are capable to do their basic calculation and everything. So the major projects which are going, just to give these people employment, like earthquake mitigation. Fine. So many poor people live in earthquake zones. A team of University College London is working on the project to understand the effects of earthquakes on structure and communities and how to deal with them. सो अर्थक्वेक मिटिगेशन भी यही है. जब भी अपन टीवी पे या न्यूज चैनल पे देखते हैं कि कहीं पर अर्थक्वेक हुआ है या ये है, तो वो जो प्रोन एरियाज भी रहते हैं वो एरियाज भी मैक्सिमम उसके आसपास भी तुम लोग देखना, लाइक मेनली पुअर पीपल ज़्यादा रहते हैं. अ सेंसर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. Researchers at the University of Leeds have developed a sensor to gather data on environmental conditions like temperature, humidity, light, agriculture areas, and it aims to particularly furnish farmers in developing countries with the information needed to maximize their crops yields. Fine. Gallium arsenide water purifier. That is also one thing, like blue light emitting diode based on the gallium nitrides. that can be skill that can kill harmful bacteria like mosquito and all in drinking water. This rather unusual application of the novel semiconductor that is going to be explored by the scientists at the University of Cambridge. Overcoming literacy. इस तरह का भी सिस्टम डेवलप किया जा रहा है लाइक स्टोरी बुक दैट इज एम्स टू हेल्प रूरल इंडियन कम्युनिटीज where literacy levels are very low and just to create and share information in audio visual forms. लिटरेसी को ओवरकम करने के लिए भी कई लोग जो इलिटरेट हैं तो उनको ऑडियो विजुअल फॉर्म में भी इस तरह से इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करके उन्हें अवेयर करें. So what we can conclude in this regard that it is the key to empowering the poor and disadvantaged to the gaining information to shape better decision to understand their own destiny. The program that is for the empowerment of the people, and this is a new economy of our new times. Information technology, it can also be used to assist in strengthening good governance, decision making activities like that. और IT भी finally काफी help कर रहा है to develop a cohesive global world that where the people with the different religions, culture, languages, social cultural histories that can attitudinal and behavioral changes can live in a peace and democracy. These are some references for you. That's it for this poverty reduction and all. The main concept for this in the whole lecture was this diagram that I explain you, smart village. इसमें भी किस किस तरह से ये मतलब जो centralized government है, two state government and NGO are trying to provide these things like telemedicine, microfinance, business management, education, agro business, non-agro. That is going to be important. Okay, now in the next class, we are going to discuss what social and technological changes has this urbanization and industrialization made. After this, like the industrial process, material selection and all is going to be there. Then the industrial ecology and symbiosis. This unit is small, that's why I chose this. And I surely by the 10 or 12 August, before that we are going to finish this. Like your assignment date is 12 now. Let's see. Okay. Now you all please give your attendance. Yes, Mohit.
प्रेजेंट मैम मोहित
पहली वाली क्लास में क्यों नहीं थे? मनदीप.
मैम बता नहीं था क्लास
मनदीप प्रेजेंट मैम.
शिवांगी.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
क्यों नहीं पता था मोहित क्लास होगी? टाइम टेबल तुम्हें डिपार्टमेंट से मिला हुआ है बेटा, तो शेड्यूल जो भी क्लास रहती है एक बार तो ज्वाइन देखना चाहिए ना, हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है. Yes, it could be that I can on a leave, I may on a leave, जैसे मैं next week का भी कह रही हूँ. अभी I'm not sure, still I didn't get the office order, but अगर FDP है उसका है मेरा, तो भी I will take your class but give you information. ठीक है. तो जो भी टाइम टेबल मिला है, जैसे तुम्हारी वैसे भी मंडे टू वेडनेसडे रहती है, मंडे ट्यूसडे आफ्टर लंच एंड वेडनेसडे बिफोर लंच, तो अटेंड किया करो. सिद्धार्थ.
सिद्धार्थ प्रेजेंट मैम.
तुम लोगों ने गूगल क्लासरूम में देख ली है? असाइनमेंट दोनों मैंने पोस्ट कर दिए हैं, उसी पे भेजना है तुम्हें. ठीक है. तन्मय, वंदना,
Ma'am, Vandana present.
Okay. And where is Tanmay? Tanmay? हो या क्लास ज्वाइन करके कहीं घूम रहे हो? ओके, एनी डाउट इज देयर बेटा? सस्टेनेबल में तो कुछ कुछ टॉपिक है जो थोड़े बहुत टेक्निकल हैं. बाकी यस, आई डू एग्री देयर आर सम टॉपिक्स लाइक व्हिच आर क्वाइट लाइक क्या पढ़े इसमें, लेकिन अपन को तो सारे टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. सो इट इज माय सजेशन बेटर टू गो थ्रू. और अगर कहीं तुम्हें इंफॉर्मेशन और ऐसा लगता है इस टॉपिक में अपन और एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, so your suggestions are most welcome and you can also go through those topics and we can discuss. मतलब अगर इसकी लाइव मतलब ऑनलाइन की बजाय अगर इसके अपने लेक्चर्स चलते तो मेरा तो इसमें डिबेट्स और ये कराने का मोटिव भी था. होप जस्ट COVID-19 गेट ओवर सून अगर रहा, क्योंकि कुछ कुछ टॉपिक्स ऐसे हैं कि यस ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू इन अ 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can make 2 or 3 groups and we can have a group discussion and all in that. That will do later. Let's see. Okay. See you tomorrow, beta. और यस वो तुम्हारे फॉर्म्स देख लो. एक तो कोर्स एग्जिट वाले जिसने नहीं भरे हैं वो भर के वापस अपलोड करें. और सेकेंडली असाइनमेंट करो. कोई भी डाउट हो तो मेरे से पूछो.